This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English Purpose question. The question asks, how would we support the assertion in paragraph 3, so right here, that Frankenstein is a villain? Which of the following strategies would best accomplish the goal of asserting that Dr. Frankenstein is a villain? So let's look at paragraph 3. Paragraph 3 tells us that Dr. Frankenstein resumes the role of the villain absorbed in his work among the network of complex machinery in his laboratory. He's an immortal, his madness, it's equal to his great intellect. Okay, so we want to look at these strategies and see which one is going to back up this claim that he's a villain. So choice 1, comparing Frankenstein's readers with Dracula's readers. This wouldn't make any sense because we haven't been talking about Dracula in this paragraph, so we don't want to bring in a completely different book in order to talk about Frankenstein. So this is irrelevant, and that's not going to be good. Number 2, describing the physical characteristics of Dr. Frankenstein's detractors. So we're trying to say that he's a villain, and we don't care what the people calling him out for being a villain look like. We just want to know he's a villain and why is he a villain. So this is also going to be irrelevant. Choice 4 is equally irrelevant, explaining how Frankenstein is more humane than Gollum. We're not talking about Gollum in this paragraph, so it doesn't matter if he's more humane. Further, we want to support the assertion that he's a villain. So talking about how he's more humane or he's better than this other monster is not going to help us back up the claim that he's a villain. That's no good. Choice 3 is going to be the best because it says, citing examples of instances when Frankenstein sacrificed the human needs of his community for the success of his experiment. So these would definitely be examples where he acts like a villain. He doesn't care about the people who live in his community, but he only cares about his experiments. So choice 3 is going to be the right answer.